This bolognese recipe serves 4 people. In an oiled pan, fry 1 chopped clove of garlic and onion. Next, add in a 450g packet of 5% lean mince, as this has less saturated fat in it, so it is healthier for you. Once the meat has browned a bit, add in 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. For extra richness, you can add in a couple of squirts of tomato puree. Now you can add in some black pepper to season it. And you can also add in some oregano or mixed herbs. This is also optional, but you can add in some fresh basil leaves to create a nice flavour. Now you can leave it to simmer on a low heat for about 20 minutes or until you want to eat it. You can occasionally stir it, but the longer you leave it to simmer, the more rich and thick it goes. Now it is on low heat, it is a good time to add in any extra vegetables that you'd like, such as peppers, carrots or sweet corn. As it simmers, boil 75g of dried pasta for 10 minutes, or 2 tagliatelle nests. Using wholemeal pasta is a healthier alternative as this has higher fibre content.